we have simplified 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 6. We got 3 upon 6 as answer. This answer we'll add to 1 upon 2 and we'll get 6 upon 6, which on reduction will give us 1 here. Now what we have done here is that we've taken the first two numbers together. Here last two numbers were taken together, here first two numbers are taken together. On simplification we got 7 upon 6. From this 7 upon 6 we'll subtract 1 upon 6, which will give us 6 upon 6, which on further reduction will give us 1 here. In both the conditions our answer was same. The only difference was here we have simplified the last two numbers first, here we have simplified the first two numbers first. But in both the cases answer remained same. Hence addition of a rational number is always associative. Let's take another example, fourth part, question number 5. There are three rational numbers given to us. Again, just like in the previous case we've taken the last two numbers together here, and here we have taken the first two numbers together in a bracket. On simplifying this we'll get 1 upon 6. Now we'll add this 1 upon 6 with minus 1, which will give us minus 5 upon 6 as the answer. Now here we are simplifying the first two numbers together. We'll get minus 1 upon 6, which on simplifying with minus 2 upon 3 will give us minus 5 by 6. Hence in both the conditions our answer will remain same as minus 5 upon 6. This is addition of rational numbers, which is always associative. What we have learned here is if we change the order of addition, the answer will not change. Either we add the last two numbers first and then the first one, or we add the first two numbers first and then the last one. Answer will not change. Now what is additive inverse? Whenever we are asked to find additive inverse of any rational number, we have to change the sign of that rational number. We have to simply put minus sign before that rational number. Suppose if the rational number is 2 upon 3, its additive inverse will be minus 2 upon 3. We have simply multiplied this number by minus sign. Same thing we'll do here also. It was minus 5 upon 7. If we multiply this number by minus sign, it will become 5 upon 7. That basically we are changing the sign of the number. We always have to multiply the given rational number by minus sign and we'll get the additive inverse of that number. Now this is minus 2 upon minus 3. Basically minus 2 upon minus 3, it might look confusing to you, but it is 2 upon 3 because minus and minus will cancel out. So it is same as example 1, 2 upon 3, which I have mentioned here also. So these two are basically same. Minus 2 and minus 3, these two signs will cancel out and we'll get 2 upon 3. Now additive inverse of 2 by 3 is minus 2 upon 3. So normally whenever we have to find additive inverse, we multiply the given rational number by the minus sign and we get the additive inverse of that rational number.